Hello friends, welcome to CiTech tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can create our own VPN without having any programming languages or coding languages. First, we have to know what is VPN. Surfing the web transacting on an unsecured Wi-Fi network means you could be exposing your private information or your browsing history. That's why a virtual private network, better known as VPN, should be must for any concerned about their online security and privacy. You have already used some of VPN, but the question is it secure or not, or the cost problem. Hence, in this video, we will try to create our VPN by using very easy steps. The main points of creating our own VPN is you can modify and configure by your own requirements, like you can configure by your own demand firewall incoming and outgoing rules. So now let's start the process. So let's see how we can create our VPN without any coding knowledge. So first we have to go to Windows option, then navigate to settings. After settings, go to the network and internet option. Okay, now you can see there's a VPN option. Go to VPN and we have to create our own VPN, so add a VPN connection. Click on add a VPN connection. Then you will see this kind of interface. You have to set into Windows built-in. This is a by default connection name. Okay, now you have to give your own connection name. You can give anything whatever you want. So as I will give it like my channel name. Then we are required for server name and address, so go to your browser and on the browser you have to search for VPN for u.net. You will take the help for this website and we have to wait for its loading. Okay, location and VPN servers are available. Okay, so we'll go for Russia and we can take host name also. Like we have to copy this and paste here. This is our server name and VPN type is you have to leave it automatic or we'll see for what our options is here. PPTP, so we'll go for PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol. Okay, now we are required for username and password. So we'll give username VPN for you. You have to paste it here and whatever the password you are looking here 2591 you have to put it on here. Okay, 929. I am not take on remember my sign-in info, so I will take it and then we have to save all settings, recheck all the settings. Okay, there's an important point, avoid any kind of space from here. Okay, server name, please confirm there is no any kind of space. Okay, all things good. I will save my connection. Okay, one VPN setting is visible now. So first we'll see what is my IP address? What is my IP address .com and search for what is my IP of Google. As you can see, my IP is start from 157 and end for 24, and my current location is from India, and my IP address is visible on there. Okay, so now we'll go for our interface and go for network settings. On the network setting, navigate to change adapter option. From here you will see your VPN option is there visible. Okay, so you have to right click on it and select for connect. Click on connect, and then here go for advanced option, check all settings. Okay, back and click on connect. Okay, username and password is required, so we'll paste the same username and password. Okay, just copy paste the username and password. Username this and password will be whatever you see on there. Just copy paste, and it's verifying your connection. And yes, here you are connected from the VPN. Okay, and we'll try to open google.com. Is our connection is working or not? So as you can see, our connection is working successfully. And one more thing, you will see here your browser language will change after connecting from your VPN. Okay, now search for, like this is currently working on Urdu, that's why it's navigating from left to right. Search for what is my IP address. Change to English. Okay, as you can see, my friend, our IP has been changed successfully from different location. I want to show you my previous IP address. It's on this browser. That was my previous IP address. After connecting from VPN, my current IP address is this. And now I want to show you my current location. Okay, so you have to go on the website what is my IP address.com, and voila, you can see your IP address has been changed and country is also changed. My previous country is showing there is like India, and my current country is Russia, and IP is changed also. So if you want to reback your IP address, so you don't have to do anything, just go to the VPN and click for disconnect. When you disconnect the VPN, your previous browsing state will be available as usual. You can see by default the English language, and your IP address is also the previous one. Okay, and if you want to remove it, or just if you want to make a new connection on VPN, so remove this VPN and make a new one. So Thank you guys for watching the video until here, and if you like the video and get some knowledge from this video and learn new thing, keep share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thank you for your support guys. Keep supporting like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.